Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by securing the essentials and launching the first lesson. Check device compatibility and network access now. Once done, install and open the chosen AR app, create a classroom session, and load your lesson content. Make sure to pair or distribute 1/ to the devices to students and place physical markers where indicated. This reduces setup friction. You'll explain the objective in one sentence, model a single interaction, and then hand devices to students so they can begin exploring immediately. Once students are engaged, you transition into guided practice and monitor progress via the teacher dashboard. Use live view to spot misalignment and offer quick corrections. Make sure to structure each AR scene with clear tasks, 2 to 3 steps, and set short timers so momentum stays high. Encourage students to annotate or capture screenshots for evidence, then rotate devices or roles so everyone experiences different perspectives. Pause to debrief after each scene, and connect virtual actions to the learning target. To finish, you lead a concise synthesis. Students share one finding, upload a screenshot, and self-score with a quick rubric. This anchors virtual exploration to standards. Once done, export session logs and artifacts to your LMS or cloud storage for assessment. If things go wrong, start with simple fixes, restart the app, recalibrate or reposition the marker, swap to a known good device, and verify camera permissions. If persistent, collect error details, then update app or contact support while continuing a low-tech backup activity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.